This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Firefox and going straight to About, Config. Accept the warning so you can view advanced preferences. Once done, type a clear keyword or the full preference name into the search box to narrow results. Make sure to note whether each entry is user set or default. That tells you if code was modified. You'll see types labeled Boolean, integer, or string. This matters when you inspect the underlying code representation and prepare to edit safely. Now you dive into the middle work. Locate the specific preference and check its type and origin. If it's a Boolean, use the toggle control. For strings or integers, double-click to open an editor and enter the exact code or value. Once you change a pref, observe the source flags, user set, default, or locked, because locked prefs come from policies or user. JS. If you need the raw file, open your profile folder and inspect prefs. JS or user. JS to see the literal code lines. Finish by validating your changes. Restart Firefox so persistent preferences apply and then reopen About, Config to confirm values match expectations. If you edited prefs, JS manually make a backup first and restore it if something breaks. File corruption prevents startup. If a setting reverts, check for policies. JSON and active user. JS or an extension enforcing values, you must edit or disable those sources. If problems continue, revert the last change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.